Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the governor spring on this Briggs Stratton engine, you will need a 5/16" nut driver, a 10mm socket, and a 10mm wrench. Before you begin this procedure, make sure the engine has cooled. We also recommend there be little or no fuel in the tank. Using the 5/16" nut driver, unthread the 2 screws securing the throttle cover plate. Shift the throttle lever to the right so you can detach the plate. Next, use the 10mm socket to unthread the 2 front screws, securing the fuel tank to the bracket. Use the 10mm wrench to unthread the 2 rear screws securing the tank. Move the tank out of the way. Shift the throttle lever to the off position. Note which hole in the governor arm the spring is inserted into. Then detach the old spring from the throttle lever and the arm. To install the new governor spring, insert the shorter end into the appropriate hole in the governor arm and align the opposite end on the throttle lever. With the spring in place, reposition the tank on the bracket. Then rethread the rear and front screws. Reposition the throttle cover plate and rethread the screws. If necessary, refill the fuel tank, and the engine should be ready for use.